Hello everyone, this is my new 2025 Yamaha Tracer 9, and today I'm going to show you a few of the settings which you can do into the screen. Let's turn it on. So it has got a bigger display compared to last year. Like you could get this one in GT Plus, but then the base model and this one came with the split screen. So uh, as you can see right now, I have a like you can note in different themes. Right now it's in this one. I'm going to show you how to change those and how you can get in the settings. So the switchgear has also changed from last year, and this year you've got this one. So no rotating one like the older MTs. Uh, as you can see, there is a home button, there's a joystick, then this one is for cruise control, setting the speed up, down, and you've got self-canceling turn indicators, horn, hazard lights right there at the bottom, and then your flash low high beam, and on the other side you have modes and your start stop. So this mode, this changes which mode you're riding in, so you can do it while riding too. So right now, see if it's in street, and I'm gonna press this one. So I press once, see it goes into rain, press again, it goes into custom, custom 2, so you've got two custom modes, sport, street, goes back to that. Now other settings you can toggle through this. If I do this once, you can see the settings opens there, and if I keep toggling it, it goes on different like theme. So if I want to change theme, you can see it says up and down option. So if I do this, you get this basic, very speed oriented, no extra details on that one. If you go here, you get kind of modern, where you have your bike on the display, put your fuel consumption, time, date, and speedo, and your tacho, range, and then different informations. Or if you go one, sorry, I have to go back to theme again, so let me do this. So if I go once more, it's back to the one that was there in the starting. Again, you can also change these options, but let's go to the settings first. Different settings, right? So if I again toggle this side, you can see settings. I have grip formants, so you can turn them on from here. So these are kind of shortcuts, vehicle info theme. So other way, if you want to open the settings, you can just long press it. Sorry, my bad. You can't do that long press. Let's just go into settings then. So settings, in the settings you've got all the different settings for YRC. So here you have different modes, and you just press this to okay, right? So you see in the sport you have everything on one. So these are different controls, right? Power, TCS, lift control, everything. Street, it's 2, same, everything is in 2. If you go rain, so power is on 4, TCS. So higher the number, the more the intervene, the system intervenes, right? So if you have TCS, it's like the traction control is going to be more. Same goes for lift control. Power 4, it's down. So power higher the number, power goes down, and so it cuts more. Done. Custom again, you can set up the way you want. You have two options. If you want to go out of the menu, just press this once and you go out. So more settings, you got stability control, so traction control, slide control, lift control, back slip. You have all the settings. You can turn them on, turn them off, depends on you, right? You can scroll down with this one and do whatever settings you want to change. Back to that. So vehicle info, basically it gives you what do you want to have screen, like auto, meter, trip, whatever you want to have favorite on the screen. This can also be changed directly without coming into the setting. I will show you that too. Let's go back. Now coming down, display, again brightness, you can do it for day and night, what brightness do you want, background, again auto, day or night, whatever setting you want. Mine is an auto right now. I haven't ridden it in the night yet, so I don't know how it reacts to that. Clock, simple if you want to change your time, date, anything. Grip firmness, as I showed you before. So you have different settings of heat level, like you can change heat levels on that. Shift indicator, if you wanna have indicator on whatever RPM, you can show. So it's on right now. Depends on you if you want to turn. It was from like this from the dealership. I haven't changed it yet. It's only been 2 days since I got the bike, so haven't done much to it. Let's go back. The brightness, again, when it kind of gives you an indication how bright you want it. Back. So you can change the units here. So you can click it to go into mile or kilometer. So in Canada it's kilometer, but if we cross to US it's miles, so it's very handy in there. So every time we cross the border you can just switch rather than guessing the speed. Again, same fuel consumption, you want liter per 100 kilometer or kilometer per liter. Let's do this. Temperature, again we do it, Canada does Celsius and US does Fahrenheit, so easier to change if you wanna. Maintenance shows how many kilometer oil and oil filter all that have run. So it's a new bike, not that much. And then there's option for all reset. I'm not gonna do that. So these were the settings which you can do while going into that. Now, like right now you see this one is selected. So if I toggle this one up or down, you can see it changes. So it goes to run time, trip time, average speed, coolant temperature, air. I'm going to give it a range. Now I can use this in different places just to change the setting and stuff. So like in different themes I can use this to change settings. Cruise control, so I think it works over the third gear, I'm not sure, but if you press mode once you can see this comes here, how much you want to set it. Again, limiter there. I still have to understand what limiter really works with, like what the option is, why is it there, I'm not sure. And again, mode to cancel it. So these are the favorites, auto, trip 1, trip 2, and if you want to change that you can do it as I showed in the setting. So let's do that. Right now you see there's auto, trip 1, trip 2. I'm going to change to the coolant temperature so that when I start the bike I can know what the coolant temperature is. So I settings, I go to favorites, vehicle info, there it is, vehicle info, favorite 3 you see trip 1, trip 2. I'm going to change that. Not average fuel, instant fuel, range here, coolant. So now let's see what is. So shows the coolant temperature here now. So you can do the settings, and then you have this one on the side which you can change on the go. I'm keeping that to the right. Yeah, so these are the basic settings in the screen of the Tracer 9. It's not a GT or GT Plus, it's a standard Tracer 9. That's the model we are getting right now in Canada. Oh, and you also got this charging point with C port. So that's good. You can mount your phone or anything and then charge it. Yeah, those are the basic settings. And if you have any question, just let me know. I will try to figure out and let you know the answer for it. So, thank you for watching. Have a good day.